Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write and explain step by step how to add the squares of the binomials 3x plus 4y squared and 5x squared plus 2y. First, I'm going to expand each binomial by applying the formula for binomial square provided on the right-hand side of the screen. When I apply the formula, I get 3x in parentheses squared plus 2 times 3x 4y squared plus 4y squared in parentheses squared plus 5x squared in parentheses squared plus 2 times 5x squared 2y plus 2y in parentheses squared. Next, I need to apply the rule of exponents for power of a product with two factors. This way, I get 3 squared x squared plus 2 times 3 times 4 is 24 xy squared plus 4 squared y squared to the power of 2 plus 5 squared x squared to the power of 2 plus 2 times 5 times 2 is 20 x squared y plus 2 squared y squared. As a last step, I need to apply the rule of exponents for power of a power. As a result, this equals to 9x squared plus 24xy squared plus 16y to the fourth power plus 25x to the fourth power plus 20 x squared y plus 4y squared. In this polynomial, each monomial has a different coefficient and literal part. It is unique and can't be added to any other monomial. Therefore, the polynomial can't be simplified further and is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching and learning. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions.